Everyone, I am here with another Aliexpress haul. It is a small one, but it's actually got quite a lot of things in here. So let me show you. Actually, I'm really looking forward to showing you these because there are some quite cute, when I say cute things, in here, especially this packet here, which I'm going to save till last and keep you waiting, and that one. So, okay, let's put these to one side. This is a stamp set. Oh, let me grab it. Oh, no. You already wrecked the place yesterday. You're not doing it again. I just tidied up after he knocked down loads of things yesterday. As you can guess, it's Mr. Charlie. I've had my granddaughter today, so I'm doing quite a few videos. This will probably go up tomorrow, and you probably would have seen her, and oh my gosh, she stole the limelight. And I don't know what it is with everyone trying to get in on my act. Yes, Mr. Charles, if it's not you, it's going to be Franny, isn't it? So this is a lovely stamp set. It's got some lovely numbers. It's got timeless treasures. I got this for more the words than anything, and this clock face. The sky's the limit. It's got a lovely clock face here, and it's got wonder because, you know, I think it's nice to... Charles, come on. You know, I've got lots and lots of stamp sets that have got sentiments on for card making, but more for journals. I kind of wanted, you know, some nice, some nice words. I'm so sorry. He's on one now. So timeless treasures, the sky's the limit. Lovely clock face, a little key, the sun, little flourish, and these numbers are great. And this was £1.45, and I'm going to really have to kick you off in a minute. So that was super cute. I got these lovely frame dies, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 like nesting dies, and I think the biggest one is, where's my, oh my gosh, I don't know where my ruler's gone. Oh, I haven't got a ruler. Oh, have I got a ruler? Let me have a look. The biggest one is 3 3¾ wide by, let me have a look, just under 3. I'm going to spank you with this flipping ruler in a minute. So they were, oh look, I haven't found a price for them. They wouldn't have been much. They would have been about £1, I reckon, but I didn't write down the price. But I will put all of these products, I will put a link in the description, and you know, so that you can go and buy them if you want to. But I wouldn't have paid. Right, that's it now. You're getting on my nerves already. Go, because I really want to get on without you disturbing me. I wouldn't have thought they would have been more than £1. I'd be surprised if they were more. So, but I will link them in the description below. I got this lovely embossing folder. Look at that. I mean, I just thought that this would be fantastic for journals or pockets, or, you know, tuck spots, you know, with the clock faces. And this was 76p, and that's with postage. With postage, I tell you. Seriously, a stamp costs 76p. So, oh, and I said I wasn't getting any more napkins, and another lot turned up. These were £2.33, but they are just beautiful. They've got, you know, the old stamps on, postmarks. Are they different? Oh, no, they're not. That's the other way around. So you've got, oh, it's this way round, but that stamp's upside down. Very weird. That stamp's upside down. Or is it? No, it's not. Oh, it's not. It's boats. Do you know what? It looked like a face there. I don't know if you can see that. It kind of looked like a face. It's actually ships. Oh, the old ships. God, I really do need glasses. But it's got, yeah, the very lovely. It just repeats itself. And the lovely seller sent me one of these little sample napkins as well. And they were £2.33 for 20, but very vintage, very gorgeous as well. And then I've got this lovely pack. Those 71p, and they're little stickers, but they're like botanical. So they're like little botanical stamps. which I thought would be super cute to put on projects. And I'm not sure how many you get in the box without counting them. I don't really want to count them all. Please don't make me count them all. But they're just super lovely, and they're all stickers, you know, but they're, you know, stamp size, but you could, you know, use them in whatever way you wanted. I would say there's probably 50 or 60 in here. Very pretty though, look. Aren't they cute? They're just lovely. So if you like the botanical sort of things, these are super lovely, and they're going in my sticker box, and they were 71p. So I'm building quite a collection of stickers now. And, right, we're getting to the good stuff now. So, these were £1.81, and their assortment, I'm not sure how many pieces you get in here. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29. I presume there's 30 and I've probably lost one. And they're just an assortment of, I do not know what I'd do with a great big anchor. But look, there's jigsaw pieces. They're very varied, this lot. You've got a boot, a little, don't know what that is, an elk, what made me say an elk? I like these little keys actually, very cute. You've even got a gun. Oh, well, that's like the tree of life, isn't it? But it says life string, I think that says Big Bang. These are just very varied, but if you want something varied, this is quite an assortment of, oh look, and you know the ones I got the other day had dogs in. I did eventually get some little cats. I like the little kitty little charms, look, so cute. So they were £1.81, and like I said, I think you're supposed to get 30, and I've probably lost one somewhere. But wait till I show you these other ones. You're going to love this next lot. I know that I did. In the past, I have done a Alice in Wonderland journal. It was a custom order, and it was Artie Mays. And I wish I would have seen these when I was doing that. These, now, they were £3.03. But they are all Alice in Wonderland themed. Look at the rabbit. Look at the rabbit there. I mean, and they're quite, you know, nice. They feel like good quality. They're lovely. And then you've got the little, I don't know what he is. He's got the cards. There's the clock there. There's another little teapot. Look at the rabbit there. He's cute. So these are all Alice in Wonderland themed. Look. And there's like all the different characters. And you've got the playing card. And more rabbits. And a couple of keys. Quite a few rabbits and teapots, but I just think these are so super cute. Look, and they are really good quality, sturdy little charms there, but they are just lovely. So if you're doing an Alice in Wonderland theme, these are perfect. And like I said, I wish I'd have, you know, seen these before when I was doing my other one. Because these are just lovely, and I would have put some more of these on. I did put a charm of some sort on there, but I probably would have had them. It would have been, you know, loads and loads and loads of charms, so probably too many. I would have overkilled it, but at least I have them now for next time. So that is my haul for today. Lots and lots of charms, really, in this one. And a few other little random pieces. But, you know, if you're thinking of building your stash up and you don't want to spend an awful lot of money, this is definitely the way to go, because, you know, for not much money at all, I mean, 76 pence. I mean, look at that lovely embossing folder. Just gorgeous. And this stamp set, like I said, you know, the sentiments on these are just lovely. So I'm going to love you and leave you, and I'm going to go off and edit my videos, and I shall see you all very, very soon. I'll be back tomorrow with more videos. Take care for now. Bye.